This is the demo for our application, ParkBuddy. On the right are the details of the users, bookings, and reviews for reference later on during the demo. We will also use a live server log to track the backend activities as we conduct our test. So you'll see this logger recording our activities during this demo. On entering the app, we'll first see the landing page with the app logo. Entering the app is the login page. Using user one details, we'll first register a new test user. In registration, we'll test for empty inputs, the invalid email format, so this is the test for the invalid email format. So let me fix the email. And for invalid password, there's also a check. So for the password, there must be a minimum of 12 characters, and also the password must contain at least one uppercase and one special character. So fixing this based on the reference user that we will be registering, according to these particulars, we will sign up. So now the sign up has been successful. We'll now proceed to log in. As user one. Upon successful login, we'll see the homepage of our app, and using the navigation bar, we can navigate between the 4 pages and carry out our main functions. I'll first give an overview of the app. On the homepage at the top, we can see that users will be prompted with a warning about the weather if any rainy weather is expected. This weather data is queried through the NEA Weather Forecast API. You can also see that our logger shows the response of fetching this data based on the user's location. On the homepage, we also have a Google Maps API with markers corresponding to park locations based on the GeoJSON data from data.gov API. Zooming in, by selecting each marker, we can also look at the facilities available at each park. We will see more on this later on in the demo. For the bookings page, this is where users can see their current bookings, cancelled bookings, and past bookings. For now, it is empty because as user one, I am a new user with no bookings. Next is the review page, where users can view reviews for facilities. And these reviews are actually sorted based on the distance from the user. So as you can see from the log, currently, we are using NTU's IP address over here. And our nearest park to us, based on this IP address, is West Coast Park. We can also view different reviews of the park facilities. So as you can see from here, we have some generated reviews based about the park facilities. And at the top, users can also filter the facilities that they wish to view. So for example, barbecue pits, campsites, and venues. Again, all of these facilities are sorted based on distance from the user. Lastly, on the profile page, we can see that currently user one is being logged in on the app. And we can see the username and email details. On the profile page, we can edit the profile details and also change password as well as log out. Now going back to the homepage, we will now book 2 facilities under this account. So we'll do these 2 bookings here. For demo purposes, the user have decided to book Labrador Nature Reserve, Barbecue Pit 2, 24 April, 10 AM. So I'll confirm my details and confirm the booking. So it'll be corresponding to these details here. So the booking has been successful. And I'll also book my second booking over here, Dhoby Ghaut Green, Dhoby Ghaut Lawn, 26th of April, 11 a.m. So I'll confirm the details here according to this table and confirm. So the booking has been done successfully. Now, I'll head over to the bookings page and you can see that it has been updated with the current bookings here. Again, reference to the right here, the details are correct. And for demo purposes, a user is not able to book the same booking twice. So we will look at booking 1. If I go back to Labrador Nature Reserve, Barbecue Pit 2, 24 April, we try to book 10 a.m. again and you can see that it is no longer available under the available time slots. So now, for the demo purpose, I have decided to cancel this booking here, booking 2, which will be now cancelled. So I'll cancel the booking, I'll confirm the details that I want to cancel, and the cancellation has been successful. Now, the booking will show up in the bookings page under the past booking header. So as you can see here, we have cancelled this booking too, and the current booking here is still in force. From here, I will now log out to log in as user 2. Now, I will log in as user 2 who already has some bookings. And the details of user 2 is on the right here. So following the login details, login. First, I want to try booking the facilities that are currently booked under user 1, this booking. So again, I'll try to do the same facility, Labrador Nature Reserve, Barbecue Pit 2, 24 April, and you can see here 10 a.m. is not available for booking. And remember that user 1 has previously cancelled this booking, and so this booking should be available now. So Dhoby Ghaut Green, Dhoby Ghaut Lawn, I will book for 26 April, 11 a.m. And you can see that 11 a.m. is now available for booking. I will not do the booking for this user 2. Instead, I'll go over to the bookings page and you can see that user 2 currently has some bookings and a past booking that has been completed. So users can also review their past bookings after their booking has completed. And to do so, we'll press on the red button for West Coast Park. So on the right here, we'll be doing review facility now. So under Barbecue Pit 7, West Coast Park, with the details, and we'll give it 3 stars and give a comment of test. So the review has been uploaded successfully. Now, going to the facilities page, I'll now try to find this facility by filtering the barbecue pits and then heading down to Barbecue Pit 7 under West Coast Park. And I can see that user 2 that I'm currently logged in and my review is here with the overall ratings at the top. Now we'll log out and log in to user 1 to see the review that this user has made. So currently as user 2, I will now log out. Logging back in as user 1. I'll now try to look at the review that was made by user 2. So on the facilities, again, I will filter to the barbecue pits and look for West Coast Park Barbecue Pit 7. So West Coast Park Barbecue Pit 7, and you can see that user 2's review is here for me to look at. We'll now go to the profile page to edit our profile details. So but to edit the profile details, we'll click on the edit icon here. So we will try to edit the profile details based on these details here. So first of all, to test if the inputs are empty, they will prompt us that there's nothing to edit for the profile. And then if I try to change my username to someone who already exists, for example, user 2's username, they will prompt me that the username already exists. And then finally, if I try to change the email the invalid format, it'll prompt me that is an invalid email format. So now I will try to change my username here. And my username has been changed. And then for the demonstration, I'll just change my email as well. So you can see that my username and my email has been changed. And then from here, I will also attempt to change the password for user one. So currently my password is this, and then I'll try to change to this. So by clicking change password, we have the test for empty inputs. And then if the passwords do not match, so I'll type some rubbish at the bottom. And you can see it will be prompted that the passwords do not match. And then again, if I try to change to something that does not fulfill the password requirements, again, they'll prompt me that the password must be minimum of 12 characters long and then contain at least one uppercase and one special character. So now I'll change to the actual password here. And then match it. And if the passwords match, once I press submit, I'll be automatically logged out to log in with my new password. So again, back to the login page. So with my new username, since I have edited my username, and if I try to use the old password here, I'll fail to log in. And I'll be prompted to check my credentials. And then log in with my updated password. And it'll be successful. So this is the ParkBuddy app, and thank you for watching our demo.